Hey there! Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your WordPress admin URL. If you want to boost your website's security and prevent unwanted login attempts, this is a trick you definitely don't want to miss. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard using your current URL. Once you're in, head over to Settings and then click on General. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the fields labeled WordPress address URL and site address URL. Simply replace the existing URL with your new desired admin URL. Make sure it's something unique and memorable for you, but hard for hackers to guess. Once you've entered your new URL, scroll down and hit Save Changes. WordPress will automatically log you out for security reasons. Don't worry, that's normal. You'll just need to log back in using the new URL you just set. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress admin URL, making your site more secure and reducing the risk of unauthorized access. If you found this tip useful, make sure to try it out and see the difference in your site's security. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick and actionable WordPress tips that make managing your site easier and safer.